Hey everyone, Strider here, back with another video. Today, I'm going to be telling you how to make a password generator in Python. Let's get started. So, firstly, what we first want to do is we want to import random and import string. Then we want to define gen underscore pass, and then in brackets add length here. So length is going to be a value, so how long you want the password to be. So characters is equals to string dot say letters plus string dot digits plus string dot punctuation. Then password is equals to, we want to add an empty bracket, dot join in open brackets, random dot choice. Again in brackets we want to keep characters. So after that, for in for in range length, so after characters we want to keep for this in range, and here length. And now we want to return password, and then I make length is equals to integer input enter length, and then we want to print a formatted string password, and then in brackets gen password length. And now if we print this, I want my 9 characters. As you can see, it has generated the password. And yeah, that's how you make a random password generator. Thank you.